Welcome to the Design Den at Harpeth Hall. In this space, students can design, build, and create in a variety of ways. From learning to use a circular saw to building a model on a 3D printer, students see their projects come to life. We look forward to the upcoming opening of our Buller Bright Idea Lab, which will allow us to further expand our STEM offerings and provide an exciting space for students to collaborate, explore, and so much more. At Harpeth Hall, STEM is fully integrated into our research-based curriculum. In middle school, we start by developing foundations. In 5th and 6th grade, we introduce the engineering design process with a focus on designing effective experiments and collecting useful data to inform the engineering process. In 7th and 8th grade, we add more complexity, introducing computational thinking as the girls engage with coding, robotics, and website and app design. Moving on to our upper school, we focus on broadening competencies, diving more deeply into specific subjects in the fields of mathematics, science, and computer science. The skills students develop in these courses prepare them for greater challenges they may encounter in internships and independent research projects. Our premier program is the Honors STEM Research course, for which selected 11th and 12th graders work in labs at Vanderbilt University. Whether investigating nanoparticles, participating in cancer research, or working on technologies to assist in special education, the girls become an integrated part of Vanderbilt research teams.
In my classroom, we do hands-on science that is both engaging and applicable to students' everyday lives. We use our creativity and imagination to apply the knowledge we gain in order to solve real-world problems and design unique solutions. In science, we emphasize collaboration, effective communication, and learning from the mistakes we make. We encourage every girl to bring her full self into the science classroom and to engage in her learning in a new way.
In the science curriculum at Harpeth Hall, we focus not just on the scientific principles, but also on their exciting real-world applications, like building catapults in physics class, programming robots in our computer science class, and creating a human-sized functional boat in our engineering class. Girls learn resilience from designing and improving on a prototype, creativity by seeking out new approaches to challenges, and public service by identifying and filling a need in the world around them.
Harpeth Hall is a place where girls become confident STEM thinkers. In our classroom, students build, experiment, use power tools, and get their hands messy doing a variety of projects. We're designing a bridge across Honey Bear Canyon using their knowledge of forces, experimenting with density to create a sustainable submarine to save the coral reef, or researching a neuroscience topic to inform the public about how chemistry impacts their brain. Our girls are empowered to solve current and future STEM problems through perseverance, collaboration, and innovative solutions.
In my classroom, students learn geometry, statistics, and calculus. In geometry, my students learn how to use definitions, postulates, and theorems to prove new theorems. They use the same techniques to construct a proof that students used in ancient Greece. They also discover where the formulas for the area of polygons and the volume of solids come from. In statistics, students use Excel and other technologies to model the world around them. Statistics help us understand and make sense of all the data we see in the news and on the internet. My students are critical consumers of data, and they use their knowledge of statistics to discern what data are trustworthy. In calculus, students use math to find instantaneous rates of change, and since almost everything in life changes over time, calculus has a lot of real-world applications. And finally, calculus provides the means for students to find the exact area under all kinds of weirdly shaped curves that geometry can't handle.
STEM at Harpeth Hall looks like wonder. It looks like courage, where girls can try new things, make mistakes, revise, replan, and try again.